Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What are you doing now?
I am doing my homework.
Is she talking on the phone?
Yes, she is talking on the phone.
Are they cleaning the room?
Yes, they are cleaning the room.
What is he eating?
He is eating an apple.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
What are the students reading?
They are reading books.
Is your father driving?
Yes, he is driving.
What is your mother cooking?
She is cooking rice.
Are you watching a cartoon?
No, I am not watching a cartoon.
Is the teacher writing on the board?
Yes, the teacher is writing on the board.
Are the children playing outside?
Yes, they are playing outside.
Is he sleeping now?
No, he isn't sleeping now.
Are we going to the market?
Yes, we are going to the market.
What is the girl wearing?
She is wearing a red dress.
What is the teacher saying?
The teacher is explaining the lesson.
Are you walking to school?
Yes, I am walking to school.
What are they cooking for dinner?
They are cooking pasta for dinner.
Are you playing video games?
No, I am not playing video games.
What are you eating for lunch?
I am eating a sandwich for lunch.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am waiting for the bus.
Are they dancing at the party?
Yes, they are dancing at the party.
What are you smelling?
I am smelling flowers.
Are they cooking breakfast?
No, they are not cooking breakfast.
What are you feeling?
I am feeling happy.
Are they painting a picture?
Yes, they are painting a picture.
What is he thinking about?
He is thinking about his future.
Are they studying for the test?
Yes, they are studying for the test.
Is it getting dark outside?
Yes, it is getting dark outside.
Are the boys running fast?
Yes, they are running fast.
What are you looking at?
I am looking at the sky.
Is she dancing in the room?
Yes, she is dancing in the room.
Are they studying together?
Yes, they are studying together.
What is the dog eating?
The dog is eating meat.
Is he washing the car?
Yes, he is washing the car.
Are you sitting on the chair?
Yes, I am sitting on the chair.
What are the girls singing?
They are singing a song.
Is the boy drawing a tree?
Yes, he is drawing a tree.
Are they waiting for the teacher?
No, they are not waiting for the teacher.
What is your brother doing?
He is playing cricket.
Are you writing a letter?
Yes, I am writing a letter.
Is she opening the door?
Yes, she is opening the door.
What are they talking about?
They are talking about school.
Is he carrying a bag?
Yes, he is carrying a bag.
Are you wearing shoes?
Yes, I am wearing shoes.
What is the teacher teaching?
The teacher is teaching math.
Are they listening carefully?
Yes, they are listening carefully.
Is he jumping high?
Yes, he is jumping high.
Are the players practicing?
Yes, they are practicing.
Are the players practicing?
Yes, they are practicing.
What is she buying?
She is buying clothes.
Are you carrying your books?
Yes, I am carrying my books.
What are the workers doing?
They are repairing the road.
Are they planting trees?
Yes, they are planting trees.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.